Welcome to Z-Index. In this tutorial, I will show how to find broken links of your website. Broken links are always harmful for your website, readers and search engines. You can easily find broken links of your website using this excellent plugins. Download the plugins and install on your website. Before we check broken link, let's create a broken link first. Because this website is completely new, so there is no broken link on it. To test the plugins, we will create a sample broken link. Just adding some random numbers with the link. This page does not exist. So, we will now check the plugins if it does work or not. This plugins automatically check the broken links in 72 hours. But you can check manually if you want. Here it is. You can now check the broken link and fix it as well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us.